So this is how we can disable the swipe down search on iPhone. Let's get started. If you are for the first time here on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more things you can do. First of all, you can open up the settings and go to the Face ID and passcode section. And at the bottom of this list, you can see a couple of toggles, and one of them is the Today View and a Search. So when you disable this, it just means that when you are on the lock screen, you are not able to swipe down and access the searching field, right? So that's like the important part. You are going to have to unlock your phone and go through a little bit of authentication before you are allowed to perform some searches, because that's obviously not something that many people do or want to have on their phone. So that's one thing, but once your phone is unlocked, you can still find the search button on the home screen at the bottom, which you can disable as well by going to the settings, home screen, and app library, and you can disable the search. So you turn off the show on home screen, and the search button turns into the dots representing your home screen pages. So that's something you can do technically as well. And also, when you go to the settings and then find the search, you can also disable the recent searches or showing related content, which just means that you can swipe down to go to the search, right? Because you cannot really turn it off completely on every single place on the iPhone, but at least you can make some things disappear. So you don't get any suggestions, you don't get some apps showing up to you. You just get a plain search field, which is empty unless you start to type something in. But that is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. Share your thoughts and subscribe so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later.